Hey everybody, this is Robert here, back with another video. This time I've got a box, and I'm going to open it for you. It is a reconditioned smartphone. Let's get into it. Here, this is a Tracfone smartphone. Got some information. Here's the phone. It's an Alcatel. It's an Alcatel phone in the package. The back has a micro USB to USB cable and a power brick. That's practically it, along with a quick start guide of the Alcatel zip and Tracfone services guide. So let us see the phone. It's a 5-inch screen. Oh, it looks really good. Never held one in my life. This is a non-removable battery. And you got the camera with the sensor. It's a 5 megapixel camera. It's a 5-inch screen, 5 megapixel camera. On the front, surprisingly, no headphone jack. Oh, there's a SIM card already in there, and there's a room for microSD card. So I'm going to put that card in there after I unbox the rest of this. There's the screen cover's already in there. I have a case coming. Here it is, the back. This is what the phone looks like. It's a 5-inch screen. This is a micro USB to USB cable. Pretty standard stuff. And a power brick for that. It has, what I heard was it has 2 gigabytes of RAM. Alright, let's boot this thing up. Oh, it does have a headphone jack. Sorry about that. It has a headphone jack at the top. And also has a 2 megapixel front-facing camera. And speakers, headphone jack. Power button, rocker, switch, volume rocker. This is a pretty humongous screen. Let's see how quickly I could switch between screens and how quickly apps open. It's got Android 7.1, which is the Nougat, and it's supposed to have 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of ROM, so it's pretty quick, at least for setup. I'm going to have to register this phone on the website. Pretty darn fast. Alright, so that's at least the unboxing part. I will show you the actual stuff once I get in. See you in part 2. everybody, welcome back. This is part 2 of my review of this phone. The Alcatel Zip LTE phone. A reconditioned phone directly from Tracfone.com. You probably can get it from Amazon or Walmart, but the prices may vary. So this can actually do 4G LTE very well. Has the capability to do 4G LTE, the newest 4G technology, and Wi-Fi. It has a 5-inch display, and this is what it looks like. At least on the lock screen. It can do the normal phone stuff. It has a 5-megapixel main camera and a front-facing camera here that is 2 megapixels. Now this is so far this is the only part of this phone that I'm not crazy about. The only thing that don't really care for that much because of the low resolution main camera, and of course the front-facing camera of 2 megapixels. Other than that, it works great. I mean, it's very quick with 2 gigabytes of RAM and internal memory of 16 gigabytes with a microSD card slot. And there are many applications that you can download for free from the Google Play Store. And here it is. You can kind of see a little bit of what I have on it. My account from Tracfone, Amazon, of course, Spotify. It'll run Spotify, Instagram, Walmart, that sort of thing. You know, the YouVersion Bible app, GroupMe, YouTube, things like that. And it has a lot of tools such as sound recorder, clock, calculator, Wi-Fi utility, and also a file manager, which can be super helpful. Now, another thing I was trying to do is, of course there's weather and games and stuff, and GPS, but there's one thing I was trying to do, which was to see if this could do USB OTG, because I have a OTG device. However, this does not support USB OTG. I think it's a compatibility issue with the phone itself. Other than that, it works really well. And it only goes up to 5 rows, which includes it includes widgets such as the weather, the time, and also Google Assistant. So when the screen is on, you can actually use Google Assistant. Okay, Google. Open Walmart. There you go. I just used Google Assistant to open the Walmart app. Yep. And you can ask it also for the weather, to call someone, to text someone. And watch YouTube or even play music. So Okay, Google, send a Facebook message to Jordan Francis. Okay, it won't do, I don't think it will do Facebook message, but it will do a text message. Yep, so just go on, you can go online to learn more about Google Assistant. You can get like, you can watch movies, you can watch TV shows, you can play games, do all kinds of neat things. So, of course, this has a camera or a flashlight app. Here it is, there's the flashlight. You can turn on or off with the app, or you can go to your settings here. This is all your settings, and turn on the flashlight just like any other phone. It has location services, Bluetooth. I believe it's the low power version of Bluetooth. It has Wi-Fi, 4G LTE, and you can even use this as a Wi-Fi hotspot. And or you can use it for USB tethering or Bluetooth tethering. It has the capability to do that. I've tested it myself, and it works pretty well. I don't know if Tracfone recommends that, but this phone has the capability to act as a mobile hotspot if you have no internet, no Wi-Fi. And of course, it has the full-on Google Play Store. It runs Android 7.1 Nougat. And there's even this built-in app. It's called App Finder. I never used it. I'm not so sure if I should try it, but it works well. And in fact, this phone even has an FM radio tuner, just like the iPod Nano. So this has an FM radio tuner if you like FM radio. Some people do, some people don't. No big deal. Now it uses your headphones to do that. And of course, you've got GPS built in. Now, if you're using GPS, it will use your data that you get from Tracfone. So it's really mostly recommended for customer, people upgrading from either a dumb phone to a smartphone. This is a good phone to do that. Of course, it is much faster than the phones I've ever had. It's a little faster even than my iPod Touch sometimes, which is the 6th generation. I will see if I can find my review video of the iPod Touch 6th generation. I don't know if I done one or not, but if I did, I will link it in the description. If not, then I'll have to do that video. Of course, it has the camera. And yes, you can do selfies on it with the front camera. Now, it gives you an option to do like 4 megapixels at 16:9 aspect ratio, or 5 megapixels at 4:3. And I will put that in there. Okay. This is with the camera that I'm using, the 4 megapixel option. Just looking around for something to... Cool. And, yeah, I'll make sure you get that. So, overall, it is a really good phone. The only features that it's lacking is a really good quality camera. That's the main thing that it's lacking. And another smaller feature that it's lacking as well is USB OTG. If you don't know what that is USB on the go. And basically you can just plug in a USB flash drive directly into the phone and get files from it and add files to it. Other than that, and don't forget, it also has an internet browser. So I will link the Tracfone. Oh, it has a 2400 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, and for me, it charges up pretty quickly, and its battery life is at least 10 hours on a single charge. Standby time is up to 10 days, but talk time is up to 16 hours. And the microSD card slot, it only supports up to 32 gigabytes of microSD storage. It's a 5-inch high-definition display, and sound comes from the front-facing speaker. And then just make sure to choose a Tracfone plan. And of course, if you need to set up your account in order to really get the full features of this. But even before my phone number got transferred to this phone, you can still do the Wi-Fi stuff very well, and it works fine. So and of course, all your notifications are on the lock screen. And of course, you can just unlock with a pattern or a PIN number or anything. Other than that, that's my review of the Alcatel Zip LTE phone. It's reconditioned. So for a reconditioned phone, it's really good. It's really responsive and quick. It's almost as if you were holding like, an iPhone 6 at the very least. And here's a case that did not come with the phone, but I bought it separately from Amazon. That's specifically for this phone. Other than that, it works really well, and I do recommend it. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Alright, and for this video, this is my Bible verse of the day, well, of the video, from the new phone. It's from the YouVersion Bible app. Download it for free, and you can download translations of the Bible for free. This is in Psalms 73, verse 26, in the English Standard Version. My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. That's the verse of the day. Enjoy your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!